And the homestead behind me is where I was raised. And this is where I wrote When the Rain Tumbles Down. Come on, I'll show you a few things. See this old apple gum behind me? Well, in wet weather, the old limbs fall. You see a big bunch of them at the base of the tree, and that's what I mentioned in Rain Tumbles. And the limbs from the old gums are falling. Well, this is what we call a hand-driven separator, and it separates the cream from the milk. Driven by hand, and when my dad came to the top near the vat of milk, he'd take a good slurp of milk to keep himself going. These are the old cow bales and the exact spot where I wrote When the Rain Tumbles Down in July. Now, I remember it pretty well because the rain was tumbling down. Hey! That's a dobro. Let me wander north to the homestead, way out further on there to roam. By a gully in flood, let me linger, when the summery sunshine has flown. Where the logs tangle up on the creek beds, and clouds veil the old northern sky, and the cattle move back from the lowlands, when the rain tumbles down in July. The settlers with sad hearts are watching the rise of the stream from the dawn. Their best crops are always in flood reeds. If it rises much more, they'll be gone. Cattle string out along the fences, the wind from the south races by, and the limbs from the old gums are fallen, when the rain tumbles down in July. The sleeping gums on the hillside awaken to herds straying by, from the flats where the fences have vanished, as the storm clouds gather on high. The wheels of the wagon stop turning, the stock horses turned out to stray, the old station dogs are a-dozing on the husks in the barn through the day. The drover draws rein by the river, and it's years since he's seen it so high. Yes, and that's just a story of homeward, when the rain tumbles down in July. Hey, hey.